Welcome to Easy Family English.
Good morning, kids! Ready for school?
Yes, Dad. I'm excited.
Stay together, okay?
Don't worry, Mom. I will watch Mia.
Have a great day!
We will see you after school.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
See you later!
Max, look! A police officer!
Good morning, kids!
Good morning, officer.
Can I talk to you for a moment?
What happened?
Your father was in a car accident.
What? Is my dad okay?
He's waiting for you. Come with me. There's no time! Come with me now!
I'm scared. Mia, don't move. I need to call Dad first.
Dad, where are you?
I'm at work. Why?
A police officer said you had an accident.
What? Stay away from him!
Don't come closer! He lied!
Wait, I can explain!
Someone help!
Is everything okay?
He's not a real police officer!
They're mistaken.
Stay right there.
Stop! He's running! Don't let him escape!
Show me your police ID.
I forgot it.
Real officers never forget their ID. He lied to us!
Mia! Max!
Dad!
Are you both okay?
We're safe now.
You did the right thing.
I only called my dad.
That call protected your sister.
Thank you, Max.
Never go with a stranger.
Even if they wear a uniform.
I understand now. Always call our parents first. I learned my lesson.
We're proud of you.
Stay smart and stay safe.
We always protect each other.